In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make buttons exactly like this. And the best part, it only takes 1 minute. So you're going to start off by adding the body. And we're just going to be adding a height to the body, just so you can see better. You don't have to do this, but I'm doing it for my layout. We're going to start off by adding the button HTML element. Now we're going to set the body to display grid and place item center so that the button is shown directly in the middle of the screen. We're also going to set a height to the body. Now what we'll do is add a linear gradient as the background to give the nice cool effect, as well as a border and a box shadow. Now we're going to add some extra padding so we have space around the button, as well as changing the color from black to white and adding a border radius. We will also increase the font size. You can adjust this to your desired amount. And finally, we're going to be changing the font family just so the text on the button looks better. That's all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys. Bye.